Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on solving equations transformable to quadratic equations. Number 1. X times the quantity of x plus 5 equals 14. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to distribute x. So we're going to have x times x. This will be x squared. And x times 5 is 5x. Then this is equal to 14. Then we're going to transpose 14 to the left side. So we're going to have here x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Then solving this one using factoring, we're going to find factors of negative 14, in which if we're going to add a 2, the answer will be 5. So the factor will be 7 and negative 2. So 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Then 7 plus negative 2 is 5. So we're going to have here x plus 7 times the quantity of x minus 2. Then this is equal to 0. Then in here, using the zero product property, we can have here x plus 7 as x plus 7 equals 0, and x here is equal to negative 7. And in here, x is equal to 2. So this will be your answer. Now to check if your answer is correct, we'll just substitute these values of x here in the original equation. So checking, we're going to have here if x equals negative 7, so we're going to have negative 7 times the quantity of negative 7 plus 5 equals 14. Then negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2, so we're going to have negative 7 times negative 2 is it equal to 14. Then negative 7 times negative 2 is 14. So your answer here is correct. Now if x is equal to 2, we're going to have here 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 5 equals 14. So 2 plus 5 is 7, so we're going to have here 2 times 7 equals 14. Then 2 times 7 is equal to 14, so 14 is equal to 14. So the answer is correct. Number 2. Quantity of s plus 6 squared equals 9. So what we're going to do here is apply extracting the square roots. So we're going to extract the square roots of both sides. We're going to have square root of s plus 6 squared equals square root of 9. Then square root of the quantity of s plus 6 squared, this is equal to s plus 6. Then square root of 9, this is equal to positive negative 3. Then we're going to have here s equals, transposing 6 to the right side, negative 6 plus minus 3. So we're going to have here two solutions. So s here will be equal to negative 6 plus 3, and or s equals negative 6 minus 3. Then negative 6 plus 3, the answer here is negative 3. Then in here, s will be equal to negative 9. Now for your checking, again, we're going to substitute these values of s here in the original equation. So the original equation is s, or quantity of s plus 6 squared equals 9. Now if s is equal to negative 3, we're going to have here negative 3 plus 6 squared equals 9. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3 squared, and that will be 9. So the answer is correct. And if we're going to have the value of s equals negative 9, so we're going to have here negative 9 plus 6 squared equals 9. The negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3 squared equals 9. Negative 3 squared is 9. So your answer here is also correct. Number 3. Quantity of x minus 2 squared plus quantity of x plus 3 squared equals 25. So we're going to operate these two here first. So x minus 2 squared, that will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then plus, this is x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x times 2 is 6x. Then square of 3 is 9. Then this is equal to 25. Then x squared plus x squared here, this is 2x squared. Negative 4x plus 6x is 2x. Then 4 plus 9 is 13. This is equal to 25. Then transposing 25 to the left side, so this will become 13 minus 25. And 13 minus 25 is negative 12. So we're going to have here 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 equals 0. Then in here, the numerical coefficients of x squared and x and also the constant, which is negative 12, is divisible by 2. So we can just divide the equation by 2 so that we can simplify the equation. So 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. Then 2x divided by 2 is x. Then negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. Then this will be equal to 0. Then solving this one using factoring. So we're going to find factors of negative 6, in which if we're going to add a 2, the answer will be 1. So the answer here will be 3 and negative 2. So we're going to have here x plus 3, then times the quantity of x minus 2. Then in here, x will be equal to negative 3, and in here, x is equal to 2. And to check if our answer is correct, we're going to substitute negative 3 and 2 to x in the original equation. So if x here is equal to negative 3, so we're going to have negative 3 minus 2 squared plus negative 3 plus 3 squared, is it equal to 25. So negative 3 minus 2 squared is negative 5 squared, that's 25. The negative 3 plus 3 is 0 squared is 0, equals 25. Then 25 plus 0 is 25, so you're going to have the correct answer. Then if x is 2, so we're going to have here 2 minus 2 squared plus 2 plus 3 squared equals 25. And 2 minus 2 is 0 squared, so 0. 2 plus 3 squared, that will be 5 squared is 25. So you got the correct answer. Example number 4, 6 over y plus y minus 3 over 4 equals 2. So first, we're going to simplify or eliminate the denominators by multiplying the equation by 4y. Then 4y times 6 over y, that will be 24. Then 4y times the quantity of y minus 3 over 4, so cancel 4. So we're going to have here y times the quantity of y minus 3. Then this is equal to 4y times 2 is 8y. Then this is 24 plus y times y is y squared. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y. Then this is equal to 8y. And 24 plus y squared minus 3y. Then transposing 8y to the left side, we're going to have here negative 8y equals 0. Then combining the two here, this is negative 11y, and arranging the terms, we're going to have y squared minus 11y and plus 24 equals 0. Solving this one by factoring, we can find factors of 24 in which the sum of the two is equal to negative 11. So the factors will be y minus 8 times the quantity of y minus 3. This is equal to 0. Then y here is equal to 8 and y here is equal to 3. So this will be your answer. Then to check if your answers are correct, just substitute the values of 8 and 3 to y in the original equation. So checking, we're going to have here 6 over, if y is equal to 8, then plus 8 minus 3 over 4 equals 2. Then 6 over 8, we can just simplify this one as 3 over 4. Then plus 8 minus 3 is 5 over 4 equals 2. Then 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Then if y here is equal to 3, so we're going to have 6 over 3 plus 3 minus 3 over 4 equals 2. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 3 minus 3 is 0 divided by 4 is 0. Then 2 plus 0 is 2 equals 2. So the answer here is also correct. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.